With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start the question. And the question is, the reason that the chemical or synthetic fertilizers should be replaced by biofertilizers is that the former, option 1, source of environmental pollution, option 2, are expensive, option 3, exhaust the valuable energy resources for their manufacture, and option 4, all of these. Very first of all, what are biofertilizers? Biofertilizers are actually substances in which microorganisms are used so that they can enrich the soil nutrients and the plants can absorb that nutrients for their growth. Biofertilizers they are the substances which has microorganisms. These microorganisms enrich the soil naturally without affecting the soil fertility. Even they enrich the soil. Soil become rich in macronutrient as well as micronutrient, so that plant can absorb that nutrients and make their growth better. So why chemical fertilizers should be replaced by biofertilizers? So I told you, what are biofertilizers? Chemical fertilizers are actually expensive. First of all, they are expensive, chemical fertilizers. And the other aspect is they are the source of environmental pollution. What chemical fertilizers do? Chemical fertilizers they pollute the soil. Make the soil alkaline. They are responsible for the soil pollution, water pollution. The water which we pour to the plant, that water to get the fertilizers, and when this water get into the drains, so they are responsible for the soil pollution, and they exhaust the valuable energy resources for their manufacture. That means the fertilizers, when we manufacture them, they exhaust the valuable energy resources. So the correct option would be all of these. The correct answer would be all of these. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.